I would say when I gave birth to my son, I didn't just give birth to him. I also gave birth to a new version of myself. So for me, I made a huge change in my life after having my son Cameron. Before, I was very type A, very much in my masculine, very much achievement oriented, overeducated, very well traveled. And those are the things that I placed value on. But around the time that my preconception journey started, I started to notice my interest started to change. I was becoming more spiritual, more heart-centered, more willing to love and connect and be more vulnerable. And so after having my son Cameron, I really did dedicate myself to being a community birth worker, to doing reproductive justice work, and doing my part of whoever wanted to partner and team with me, helping them become this empowered person at a very vulnerable and critical time in their life.